Good morning. Why? Hmm? What's wrong? Let's go to the kitchen. Come on. Come. Come. What is this? Mommy dropped something. Come. Oh, sorry. Come. Come to the kitchen. Come, Matley. Come. Matley, you'll be scared. You ready for this? Good morning, guys. I don't know what to say. It's cold today. It's really cold for me. But I'm wearing this dahil kailangan ko mag-wax. And my little baby is whining. Matley is whining. But anyway, what I am doing here is gagawa ko ng green smoothie. So I have spinach kasi yun lang ang green na meron ako. Wala akong kale. Matley keep whining. Bananas, cashews, mga nuts, mixed nuts. And then I also have ginger. Maliit lang siya, ganyan. Parang thumb size ginger. So yun lang. And then almond milk, guys. Wow, baby! Matley wouldn't stop whining. What's wrong? I know he's very sweet. Such a sweet baby. I know. You wanna go up? Mommy can take you up. Mommy has to make her green smoothie. Mommy has to make her green smoothie. Gusto niya umakyat? Oh, okay. Alright. Mommy will take you up. Ah! He bite my hair. Don't be biting Mommy's hair. Naka-braid ang hair ko ngayon, guys. Don't be biting Mommy's hair. No? Don't do that. Oh. I'm also boiling my tea, guys. I have ginger, cinnamon, and cloves here. So, pinapainit ko lang siya. Pinapakulo. And then, I'm gonna refrigerate this, guys. Gagawin ko siyang ice. My green smoothie na tayo. Looks good. Very, wala akong makikitang, guys. Yung bilog-bilog, lahat talaga is like water. Masarap, guys. Ito yung snacks niya. Gustong-gusto niya to. Kaya siya nag-wine. You like it? Okay. Alright. Again, clean hands. Leaking. Alright, that's it. Guys, we got a surprise flower bouquet because today is my birthday. So cute. And look at that. It's Matley's face. Parang birthday ni Matley. Isn't it your birthday today? No, it's Mommy's birthday today. Right? It's Mommy's birthday today. Right? Not your birthday? Ito. It's so cute. I love it. It says happy birthday. Yeah. Actually, pasensya na sa mukha, sa buhok ko, guys. Kasi galing ako sa labas, nag-trim ako ng mga plants ko. Kasi, na sila, kailangan ng trim. So, ayan, hindi ko na natapos kasi si Paul umalis. And then, I need to babysit na naman kay Matley. What's for dinner? Okay, my favorite steak. with bread. This is my dinner. What's for dinner, honey? Oh, as usual, the iconic brown bread.
Looks delicious.
What's in? Oh, this is the rice. You put the rice like that. Seasoned rice with the big slice of ribeye. That is so big. Look at that. Oh, with juice. I see the juice. Wow. And then this is the vegetable. Looks good. Wow. Mmm. And Matley doesn't want to eat his dinner. Picky. Super picky. He got tired of his food. So... Matley, do you want mommy's food? Let's dig in. And then we have a dessert too. But for now, I'm gonna eat this. Thank you, honey. Thank you, Lord, for the meal. Honey, thank you.
More lovely.
Steamed mixed vegetables. Zucchini. Carrots. Ang walang diet. Lamon lang ng lamon. Rice. Super. There's onions and what is this sauce? May sauce na ganito sa ribeye. Parang yogurt. I think Matley thinks he's human, honey. You don't think you're a dog. You don't think you're a puppy. You're a human. Sorry. Come here. Come. No, you cannot have it, Matley. You cannot have it, Matley.
It's toxic. Yeah. Be careful you don't get any on the ground.
It's toxic for dogs. Ooh. Ah, it's melting. Oh, it's melting. Alright. Into the refrigerator kasi nagbe-melting ice cream. Go to the freezer. How about down? Ready? Cheers. It's good. And it's not too sweet. Oh, I love it.
Not gonna go in there.
It's not too sweet. Mas matamis ang regular cake dito.
You have to put it in something else.
It's a yummy chocolate. I think we have to transfer that into something. Wanna try it, honey? Ay, hirap pag mag-diet. Hindi makakain ako. Wow. How about, I'm just gonna be the only one who will finish the whole thing. Matley, what are you doing? Nakawala si Matley. Hey! What's that? Go, keep walking, keep walking. No biting. Let's go that way. Let's go that way. Go. Nandito kami sa park. Dinala namin sa Matley. Ayan, finally, pwede na siya maglakad. Pwede na maglakad si Matley. Oh no biting. Look, you have a treat. Yeah, let's go. Come. Come, Matley, come. Matley, come.
Who wants a stick?
You want a stick? No, Matley. Look at the view, Matley. Look at the view over there. It's so nice. Let's check the water, Matley. Look at the water. Look at the view of the water. What's this? He's so busy. What's that? What's that? What's that, Motley? The sun is so beautiful. I cannot put down the camera. Honey, take a video of this. Oh, it's beautiful over there, Motley. Beautiful. Look at the water. Wow. It's nice. Wow. Sister Daddy. Come. Motley is over here. Good boy. Good boy. You need to cry, Motley. Look at that.
Maybe.
Yeah, no. It's in here. Look at that. And over here. Okay, okay. Yeah. Can I go down? Go down. Yeah. No, no biting. Biting the grass. No biting the grass. Hey. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Okay. We're finally back home, guys. Natutuwa yung mga tao kay Matley doon sa park kasi hindi pa siya marunong. Halata talagang puppy pa siya kasi hindi pa siya marunong maglakad sa leash niya. Natatakot siya pag may nakita siyang ibang tao. Or yung iba naman, super friendly niya sa mga tao. Dinidilaan niya yung mga tao. Nakakahiya siya, guys. Super embarrassing. Pero alam nilang puppy pa siya. Tanong nga nila, nagtatanong sila, is that a puppy? Is that a puppy? Sabi ko, yes, puppy pa siya. 14-week-old pa lang siya. So, oh my God. Hindi siya nakinig sa akin sa mga commands ko. Pinapaupo ko siya. Sabi ko, sit. Hindi siya nakinig sa akin. So, sabi ko kay Paul, enroll na natin siya sa obedience training. Kasi, dinadala na namin siya in public places eh. And he doesn't know how to behave pa with strangers. He's jumping, he's licking, super friendly niya. And dito kasi sa Amerika, guys, yung mga tao, yung mga aso dito is tinitrain talaga nila. Marunong mag-follow ng command, mga ganyan. So, obedience training, yun yata ang basic first step na gawin para sa puppy. So, oh my God, he just pooped right in front of me, guys.